We often spend a lot of time on paint and body for our C10, but it's the finishing details that make our truck stand out. Here are the top 5 cosmetic items to dress up your C10. When restoring your truck, you'll often replace the rearview mirror and rearview mirror bracket, but you can also take the opportunity to upgrade to the optional day-night mirror that was available on C10s back in the day. Usually the stock dome light, the chrome is worn out and they're quite dim. The good news is that you can upgrade to a new dome light really easily and add an LED bulb while you're at it. Simple things go a long way. For instance, the on-off ignition switch plate. Many times it's worn out and scratched. Replace it, it's an easy project, makes your interior look great. When you got your C10, you probably repaired the rusty rocker panels and repainted the truck. Adding new chrome sill plates is the finishing touch between your new paint job and your new upholstery. Years of wear on the door handles leave us wanting to replace these and make them look like new. They also function a lot better. We all know how new wheels improve the look and performance of your truck, but so do new headlights. New LED headlights will improve the look and safety of your truck. Lights are available with chrome or black accents, as well as cool looking position lights. You can get these upgrades at UPcarparts.com. Get your parts, build your passion.